Boys always have the worst beds. Like, why do girls always have way more comfortable, thick, pillowy, cloudy beds?
It's here! It's this small? How did they compress this so well?
What do you want me to do?
You look great standing there. This is our life on rainy days. We do a whole bunch of nothing, just lying in bed and watching movies. In this box, this is the best rainy day toy thing you could possibly ask for. It's finally here, yay! Right? I really enjoyed my Lull experience. They make it a very easy and seamless process to order off the Lull website. Once you choose your mattress online, it's a really easy delivery process. They deliver it at your front doorstep, and it comes in a small box, easy enough to carry. I know it may seem a little skeptical ordering a mattress online. You don't really get to test it out or try it. For me, it was really convenient. I didn't have to go from store to store listening to different salesmen's pitches. And on the soft to firm scale, I'd say it's right in the middle. Your mattress in a box comes within a 100 trial day period, not just 30 days. So you'll be able to give your mattress a thorough test run. And if for some reason it's not for you, you can return it for free. Just pick up the phone and call them. And not only will you get a full refund, but your return pickup is free. So if you're in the market for a brand new mattress, check the info down below.